In today's world, we spend a huge amount of time on our digital devices. Phones, computers, tablets, and TVs keep us connected but can also overwhelm us. This is why a digital detox is important. A digital detox means taking a break from screens and digital devices. It helps you relax, focus better, and improve your mental health. First, constant screen time can cause stress and anxiety. Notifications, emails, and social media updates demand your attention all day. This can make it hard to concentrate and feel calm. Second, too much screen time can affect your sleep. Blue light from screens can disturb your natural sleep patterns, making it harder to fall asleep and feel rested. Third, being online all the time can reduce real face-to-face interactions. Spending too much time on devices can make you feel lonely or disconnected from people around you. Taking a digital detox gives your mind a break. Even a few hours or one day without screens can help you feel refreshed and less stressed. During a digital detox, try to do activities that don't involve screens. You can read a book, go for a walk, meditate, or spend time with family and friends. To start a digital detox, set small goals. For example, turn off notifications or avoid using your phone during meals. Gradually increase the time you spend away from screens. Remember, a digital detox is not about giving up technology completely. It is about finding balance and using technology in a healthier way. By taking regular breaks from screens, you improve your focus, mood, and overall well-being. So if you feel overwhelmed or tired from being online too much, try a digital detox. Your mind and body will thank you.